Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, Chatting with Chops. My name is Karen and I try and make fun and entertaining videos that might teach you something along the way. Today we're going to make what my family loves to call fridge cookies. We're going to make them vegan, of course, and the recipe just basically calls them oatmeal cookies, but we call them fridge cookies here because you put them in the fridge. It's a super easy, fun recipe to make, and I'd love to bring y'all along and see what you think, so let's get started. Okay, so to get started making the fridge cookies, you need a medium-sized saucepan, and I put it on about medium heat. And then you need a whole stick of butter, which of course most of my recipes are vegan, so we're using a vegan butter. All right, so we have that, and then we need to add our sugar, which is 1 cup of sugar. So 1 cup of sugar. And then we need to add our peanut butter, which is 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, which I've already measured that out. So we're going to get that out of here. Okay. Get all of that goodness out. These are such super easy, quick little cookies to make. I love making these. And depending on what kind of ingredients you put in here, you can make them really good, like borderline kind of like protein bars or good energy bar cookies. Okay. All right. So we have all of that in. Okay. The next thing we need to add is our cocoa. We need 3 tablespoons of just regular cocoa. You can use fancy cocoa if you want to. I just use the regular, what I can find at Walmart. But again, you can use as fancy ingredients as you want to. Okay. And then we need a spoon. So we're just going to take this and just basically just get it all mixed in and incorporated together. These cookies cook really quick too. Again, I can't say it enough that these are wonderful little quick cookies. If you need something relatively easy to do for an event that's coming up, or if you have family that's coming over in the afternoon and you need something that you can put together relatively quickly that doesn't take too many ingredients. Okay, we just want to get all of that melted. And basically we're waiting for all of the ingredients to incorporate together, and then we're waiting for just a slight boil. So we've got a boil. Alright, so we take our pan off the heat, and what we have here is 1.5 cups of just regular instant oatmeal, old-fashioned oats, and 1/2 cup of sweetened coconut, and you want to pour that in there. And it's really important to make sure that you pour the oats and the oatmeal into the hot pan, because it cooks your oats real quick for you, so they're not, just dried yucky oats. So you see it comes together really quickly, and you just want to get all of that stirred in really good. Again, you want to try and get your oats all covered with that chocolate mixture. Okay. See? And as soon as you have it incorporated, then you're going to take your spoons and take really small amounts and just kind of bring it together and put it on your cookie sheet. Now, it's not going to make nice, pretty little balls of cookie. You just got to get it on your cookie sheet as kind of like almost like a little blob. And you kind of have to work quickly because this mixture will kind of start to set up in your pan. So the sooner you can get it on your cookie sheet that's covered in parchment paper, the better. because it will start to set up immediately. And then once you put it in the fridge, it'll set up completely. So you just keep scooping out nice little scoops full of your cookie mixture. Put it on your parchment paper and then put it in the fridge. And depending on how cold your fridge is, it really kind of depends on how quickly the cookies will set up. I usually try to say at least leave them in there for an hour. If you do have company coming and you don't mind putting something that's still kind of relatively warm in your freezer, you can put these in your freezer. I know sometimes you have to be careful about putting hot stuff in your freezer, especially with whatever's around it. But I mean, if you're pressed for time or you've got company coming and you need these quickly, but I usually just try to put them in the fridge for about an hour. And then they're ready to go. You can eat them right up. And after that, I would normally say, I usually try to keep mine in the fridge. You can put them on the countertop, but they kind of get soft and they'll get a little kind of gooey messy because they kind of go back to, you know, being this lovely ooey gooiness if they get hot again. So I usually just like leave mine in the fridge, and you just have a plastic container in the fridge of yummy cookies you can just grab out and get when you want. Okay, so I'm just going to finish putting these on the cookie sheet, and then we're going to put them in the fridge for about an hour, and then I'll bring you back and show you what they look like when they're all nice and cooled down. All right, so this is what the beautiful fridge cookies look like once they're finished. They've been in the fridge for about an hour cooling, and I would recommend keeping them in the fridge unless you want them to be kind of a little warm and mushy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on future bakes. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.